Into the box, headed. Could this be goal? WASA FC take the lead. Fabulous header there by Chelsea Momin. Beautifully crossed in. Lovely header. Guided it into the bottom right corner. And goalkeeper couldn't get there. 1-0. Passes. They've had their opportunities as well. Now, ball in the box. Players looking for a handball. Referee blows the whistle and he points to the spot. Yes, it did hit the player's hand. Harley has the chance to make it 1-1 here. Takes the shot and makes no mistake. It's 1-1 here. And just the goalkeeper to beat. Good fake there. Another lovely ball. The ball is with Samuel. He's got options in the middle. Shot taken. Still there. And it's a goal. 2-1. Chipakore FC. Beautiful, beautiful goal. Takes it down. Takes a shot. Into the top corner of the goal. WASA FC have the ball, but they tear it away. Could this be 3-1? Not to be. Samuel on the right, looking for options. Good ball through. Nice ball into the box. Could this be the third one? Yes, it will be the third one. And Balkan Marak makes no mistake this time. No mistake whatsoever. Collects it well, cuts it past the player, and guides it into the back of the net. A goal worth watching over and over again. Good ball into the box, looking for the player there. And that's number 4 for Chipakore. I think it went off for the keeper into the back of the net. We see the replay there. Crossed into the box. Yes. Goalkeeper fails to keep that out. Now who's going to take it? Will it be Treesworth? It is. Good goal! Fabulous free kick. He fancied his chances from there. Took a shot and found the back of the net. A fabulous free kick from Treesworth. Momin knew the right side was empty. The ball didn't react to that one. Over their heads. Ball into the middle. Dealt with the danger there. Now chance for Chipakore. Taken. 5-2. And they react. And react fast. Balkan Marak there. 3 goals in the game. He's got his hat-trick. Instantly reacting after conceding that goal. Yet another wonder of a goal there from Balkan Marak. Smart football there from Chipakore. Samuel with the ball, looking for the player in the middle. Will he find him? He does. Chance here. And it is the 6th goal of the match from that man again, Balkan Marak. Now, Balkan. Can he show off his magic once again? Opportunity now. And he finally finds his goal. 7-2 in favor of Chipakore. And the keeper. Too easy. And they get it. It's the eighth of the game. Now, opportunity here. Will this be? Yes. It will be the ninth. And just too easy for Rangira Marak. Gets the ball, slots it into the back of the net. No chance there for the keeper or for WASA.